welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you back. Today I have an old camera. You ready, guys? Let's destroy this camera today. Pellet what I will use today is Umarex Cobra. You ready? Okay guys, look. So we broke this part, and second time when I was shooting I hit it here. So it seems that this glass is tough, so we were not able to destroy it. Everything is still working. So let's try now. Let's shoot it here. Let's destroy this LCD. Distance 15 meters, guys. So I'm using lead pellet. Maybe this is the reason why I'm not able to destroy this glass. Oh yeah, guys, look what we have. Look, guys, we destroyed it. So distance 15 meters. I'm using my Gamo Black Maxima GT 4.5. Let's shoot it one more time and we will see if we will be able to penetrate it more. Guys, did you subscribe to my channel? Not yet? It's free, so hit subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Okay guys, look, now I hit it here. So we have destroyed this screen. Somewhere there is a pellet. So this is what was left from this small screen, and this is a pellet. Guys, winter come back and you can see we have some snow. Let's try one more time. I've destroyed this big LCD. So guys, this is my Gamo Black Maxima GT 177 caliber. And this is a pellet what I'm using today. You ready guys for next test? Let's go! So guys, second hit, and it seems that we destroy something more. So now let's destroy this one. Look guys, we have destroyed this small screen. So let's try one more time to see what will happen. Look guys, I've hit it one more time here and it seems that destroyed completely. So guys, did you subscribe to my channel? Not yet? Do it now. It's freezing guys. So let's try one more time. Maybe we'll be able to break this glass. And I will reduce the distance. It will be 10 meters. Look guys, I hit it here, but it seems that this glass is stuck and lead pellet don't have enough power to penetrate it. So let's try one more type of pellet, lead-free pellet in Sabot. I used in my previous tests, so let's see if this one will be able to destroy this. This is lead-free pellet. Let's try to see if this pellet have more power to destroy this glass. This is Orange Express. Let's see if this one will be able to destroy this glass. You ready? Look guys, what we have. So we destroyed this glass. It seems that we hit it here and it's cracked. So let's try one more time with some pellet. Look guys, what we have. Look, I hit it here one more time and we have Sabot, but I don't see where's the core. Look, it didn't want already to move. It seems that we destroyed, because there you can see a hole, so we destroyed, and it seems that core should be inside. Let's try to open it. Yeah, didn't want to move already. Let me try to open. So you can see guys, this is a hole. Oh, okay, it's still working. So let's see if we will be able to destroy it completely. Okay guys, so now let's try with lead pellet to Umarex Cobra. The glass already is cracked, so let's see if we will be able to destroy it. Hey guys, look, I shoot it 2 times and look what we have. We destroyed this glass completely. This is a glass.
Yay!
This is piece of pellet what was left. And this is our core from Elko Orange Express. This one did the job. This one penetrated first layer of glass. It's not working already, so there's no chance to work. But what I can see here, guys, look, there we have one more glass. Let's try to destroy this one as well. Look, guys, this is glass, and here I see pieces of pellet, lead one, Omarex Cobra, you can see. And this glass, it's a really thick one. Look, it's around 8 millimeters. In the middle it had around 8 millimeters. Let's shoot it one more time. Look, guys, some pieces flew, so I hit it once here inside, but in middle not yet. Look, here we have some damage there inside, but glass is not broken. So let's try again. Oh yeah, guys, look, we destroyed it completely. So this flashlight destroyed, and as well here, and here we made some holes, so it's destroyed completely. Now definitely it will not work. Guys, thank you for being with me in today's video. Subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when new video be uploaded and you'll not miss any new videos. So guys, we destroyed it completely. Here's we see some holes. This is cover from batteries. We did here some holes as well. So guys, remember, if you are doing such tests at home, don't leave anything collect, so everything will be clean. And here we can see some pellets as well. Don't throw anything, just clean and throw it on a bin. Guys, bye bye, see you on next one.